Let's move on and get you some ground reports as well. Here's a shocking story from Madhya Pradesh's Devas, where a man went on a killing spree over an Instagram post by his ex-lover. The accused killed the family of 5. The bodies were found buried in a 10-foot pit 47 days after they'd gone missing.
A jilted lover in Madhya Pradesh, Devas, goes on a killing spree. An Instagram post that sparked mass murder. 5 members of a family buried by their perpetrators. The almost perfect murders were discovered 47 days later. Shockwaves across the state and country as bodies dug out of a 10 feet deep pit. Prime accused Surendra was engaged to a girl, but was already dating a 21-year-old victim, Rupali, at the same time. Rupali was upset and did not want Surendra to get married to his fiancée. In a bid to stall the marriage, Rupali posted the picture and phone number of Surendra's fiancée on her Instagram account. Infuriated Surendra decided to kill Rupali and her family members. On the night of 13th May, Surendra called Rupali and asked her to meet around 11 p.m. to discuss his future plans. Police sources reveal that Surendra met Rupali at a field, raped and killed her. Surendra then called Rupali's 14-year-old cousin, Pawan, and told him that Rupali had tried to kill herself and asked him to bring all the family members as she had to be hospitalized. The other 4 members of the family rushed to the spot. Surendra's associates were already waiting for them and were also killed and buried. The bodies of Rupali's 2 sisters were also found without clothes, but no rape case has been registered so far. The accused also used urea and salt on the bodies for fast decomposition. Rupali's sister Bharti got suspicious after all 5 members who were living together stopped taking calls. She then filed a missing complaint. The accused also tried to mislead the police by posting messages on social media sites through Rupali's account. Social media posts from Rupali's ID claimed that she got married according to her will and all the family members were safe with her. The accused also messaged Rupali's relatives claiming to be safe to mislead the investigation.
According to the police theory, the main accused, Surendra Chauhan, after deciding to kill Rupali, planned to kill the remaining 4 members of the family as well, because he feared that he would become the prime suspect of Rupali's murder if anyone in the family survived.
Fresh twist in the case came when the accused impersonating Rupali messaged her aunt Neetu that she would also get her daughter married soon. Neetu insisted on speaking to her 2 kids who were missing, but the impersonator insisted to communicate by messaging. Neetu approached the police and lodged a kidnapping case against Rupali, who was already dead. Cops were puzzled as there was a missing complaint for Rupali filed by her sister and now a kidnapping complaint filed by her aunt. Police, while investigating the case, found that the last call on Rupali's phone was from Surendra and began interrogating him. Later, cops received a tip-off about some bodies being buried in Surendra's field. This led to a search operation and 5 bodies were found in decomposed state.
सुरेंद्र राजपूत ने पूरे षड्यंत्र बनाकर इन 5 लोगों की अपने खेत में ले जाकर हत्या की और हत्या करके उनको अपने खेत में 12 के पीछे गाड़ दिया। और पुलिस ने इस दौरान अपने सारे एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किए हैं, पूछताछ की है और अब लोगों को 7 लोगों को पुलिस ने राउंड अप किया है।
जो इसके चिन्हित अपराधी हैं उनका जो भी संपत्तियां हैं कल उसमें उनको चिन्हित किया था। ये भी देखा गया कि निर्माण अवैध भी है और लगभग 4,500 स्क्वायर फीट में निर्मित है। बड़ा स्पष्ट इससे मैसेज भी जाता है कि अगर कोई इस तरह का अपराध करने का प्रयास करता है तो सरकार उसके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करेगी।
However, police have not yet been able to trace Rupali's phone, which is a key piece of evidence in the case. 7 accused are in police custody and promising stringent action. District administration has also demolished the house and shops of 2 accused in the case.
Even though the police has now claimed that all the accused have been arrested. The crucial missing link is Rupali's mobile phone. It was this mobile phone that traveled to different cities, and it was because of this that the accused were able to evade the police for 47 long days. And it was also a message from this mobile phone to Rupali's aunt Neetu that led to registration of a kidnapping case against her when she was already dead. With Vijay Irshad Khan, Hemendra Sharma, India Today.